Hello guys! Welcome to the 23rd session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In the previous session, we have seen how to use cascading parameters, right? In this session, we will learn how to create an event and listen to its value updates to reflect changes in other components. I will continue with the previous example. We will create a new button in page title. When the user clicks on this button, we will change its publish date. After changing this date, it should reflect changes in the title text as well as the footer's copyright text. Here we need to update the value of property in main page, not in the component, so we will pass the event in parameter. Now create an action which will take date time, on change, publish date. We will pass updated date time value in the action. Now add a new button for updating value. Create an event listener for this button. By clicking an event, we just want to call the action with the updated value. I'm going to add 1 year in existing publish date. In main page, create the method which will pass the parameter Now we will get update date time. Set it to publish date. Here we have to call state has changed method manually to apply those changes to all components. Pass this method in the parameter of page title. Save the file and run the project. Open page. Here we can see that there is a button that we have added. So click on it. And here 2020 is displayed in title as well as footer. So if we click on it again, then it will update the value again. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Here we have created action in which we set updated value and called state has changed method. In descendant component, we have created button. On buttons click listener, we have called action with the updated value. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.